Welcome to your 14-day meditation challenge. Today is day 1 of the 14 days, where you get to learn how to meditate in a really simple way. My name is Sofie, and I'm delighted to be guiding you along this journey. You'll really develop your skills and start to make it a habit in your own life. So, whenever you're ready, just sit back in a comfortable position, either seated or cross-legged, or lying down, whatever works for you. You can listen to this with headphones, which is recommended, but if not, that's okay too. Just get yourself in a comfortable position and we'll get started. Taking a couple of deep breaths to just centralize the breath, calm the nervous system, we can start to gently close our eyes. Allow your belly to expand when you inhale and feel your belly collapse as you exhale. Continuously focusing on the breath. If you have any itches or any thoughts that are coming to your mind at this point in time, note that it is normal. It's okay if you have to itch, do it. If you have to move to make yourself comfortable, do it. Do whatever feels right for you at this point in time. Meditation isn't a process to just still the mind. It's not to have no thoughts come up. Rather, it's to learn what thoughts really value and which ones are just there temporarily. You're becoming the observer of your thoughts. So just observe the thoughts that are coming in. Breathing consciously, taking a deep inhale and exhale. Continuously breathing in and out. Just focusing on the breath. If you need to move around, do so. And just come back to your breath. Think of your breath as your guiding force, the thing that stabilizes, and when you start to actually control your breath, you control your nervous system, which can help you ease your stress. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. Throughout these next 14 days, we'll really see different types of meditation so that you can find what works best for you. There are so many different types. Sometimes guided meditations work best for some, mantra meditations work for others, and along this journey, we'll find what works best for you. Don't be hard on yourself is the only thing that I ask. You're growing, you're learning, and you're showing up for yourself. This is 2022, or maybe it's not, whenever you're listening, but what's important is that you're taking the time to really do something that can change the course of your life. You're taking the time to show up for yourself, to be there, to care for yourself, and to do things that make you a little uncomfortable so that you can grow even more. Continuously breathing in and out. In and out. If there are noises around you, it's okay. Just observe it and then come back to your breath. Come back to the inhale. Come back to the exhale. Notice if you feel any pain or any resistance that's coming up. When you're noticing, it's not to judge it. It's not to think I shouldn't be feeling this way. Rather, you're simply observing. Surrender to this observation. Just feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Feel that area of tension slowly, gradually becoming more and more relaxed. allowing all the sensations to slowly start fading, slowly disappearing into the ether. When you learn to meditate, you can train your subconscious to become the best version, to incorporate values that you want to believe that can just seem a little difficult to accept in the tangible reality. Learning to just allow the brain to connect its right and left hemisphere. A lot of times we are so stuck in our logical mind that we don't ever allow our creative, expressive brain to take control, to share its ideas, and to come back and connect with one another. Right now, that's exactly what you're doing. So be thankful towards yourself. It's day one. Don't be hard on yourself. Releasing any tension that you feel in your shoulders, dropping them down. Releasing any tension that you feel in your jaw, unclench it. Just feel your body coming into a nice, peaceful mode. A nice, peaceful mode that you can come back to at any point in time. This is your space, your safe space that you're creating for yourself. Meditation is a gift that keeps on giving. You do it for yourself and for no one else, but everyone else around you gets influenced by your calmness, by this new sense of stability and inner light that can really be brought to the surface through meditation. Continuously breathing in and out, in and out. Really feel yourself becoming lighter or heavier, whichever is okay. You're breathing, you're relaxing, and you're giving your mind a pause. Sometimes, in order to be our best versions of ourselves, we need to relax. Meditation is an active form of relaxation that helps us deliver the results that we want. Breathe in and out. In and out. Knowing that with each breath, you're calming your nervous system, resetting all of the negativity in this moment, and allowing room for new thoughts, new ideas, and relaxation. Breathing consciously, feeling it through your nose, expanding your belly, and consciously exhaling through the mouth. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the mouth. Taking a moment to just sit with yourself here, to just feel this sense of mindfulness that you've just developed. Taking some last conscious breaths, And then coming back to your body, slowly wiggling your hands, your fingers and your toes. And slowly, whenever you're ready, start to open your eyes and come back to the present moment. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is once again day 1 of the 14-day challenge, and I really hope that I see you again tomorrow, that you show up for yourself, and that you work towards being the best person you can possibly be in this next year, or whenever you're starting, but you're really showing up to yourself, being there the way that you want others to show up for you. You need to fill your own cup first, and then everything else will follow. I send you so much love. Thank you once again for being here. I'll see you again tomorrow. Namaste.